Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change your profile picture on your Wish app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, to change profile picture on your Wish account, all you need to do is simply tap on the Wish account and simply go and tap on the menu option. Once you do this, you can find the view profile option, so simply tap on it and hit the edit profile option. Once you do so, you can find that you can change your name, birthday, gender. However, according to the system of Wish, you cannot update your profile picture or you cannot upload any profile picture on your Wish account. So as a system default, your profile picture will be the same as your initial. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.